Okay, good afternoon, everyone. We'll start it now. Last lecture, this de Broglie's hypothesis. Good afternoon. De Broglie's hypothesis, de Broglie's wavelength. And what is de Broglie's hypothesis, anyone? According to de Broglie, according to de Broglie, this is de Broglie's hypothesis is there. We'll read it. According to de Broglie, we know that any moving particle, if particle is moving with velocity v, then wave is associated with that particle. We see any particle is moving with velocity v, then wave is associated with that particle. That wave is called as, the associated wave is called as de Broglie's wave, or it is called as matter waves. What is the relation between de Broglie's wavelength and momentum? De Broglie's wavelength and momentum, lambda is equal to wavelength of de Broglie's wave, lambda is equal to h upon p, or lambda is equal to h upon m into v. Okay, this is the relation between de Broglie's wavelength and momentum of that wave. Okay, this is called as de Broglie's wavelength, or de Broglie's wavelength, lambda is equal to h upon mv. Then next is de Broglie's wavelength in terms of kinetic energy. What is the expression de Broglie's wavelength in terms of kinetic energy? Anyone? Kinetic.
Lambda is equal to h upon 2 and kinetic.
Lambda is equal to h upon under root twice m into
2 into kinetic energy.
okay, lambda is equal to h upon under root twice m into kinetic energy. Okay, this is the relation between de Broglie's wavelength and kinetic energy. Here lambda, this is the expression, lambda is equal to h upon uh, twice c under root twice m into kinetic energy. Okay, then second equation, if particle is in thermal equilibrium, then what is the relation de Broglie's wavelength? If particle it is in thermal equilibrium at temperature T, then kinetic energy of that particle is equal to 3 by 2 kT. Then put these values of kinetic energy in this equation. Then lambda is equal to h upon twice m into kinetic energy. Here kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 kT. And what is final equation? Lambda is equal to h upon
under root 3m
Root 3 kt.
okay, lambda is equal to h upon under root thrice m into kt. Okay, this is the expression de Broglie's wavelength in terms of kinetic energy. De Broglie's expression in terms of it is in terms of temperature T. Okay, Boltzmann constant and temperature T. The next is here properties of matter waves. These 6 properties. Last lecture we discussed these 6 properties. And write it. Next is Davison and Germer experiment. Everyone write the title, Davison and Germer's experiment. Davison and Germer's experiment. It was discussed it was over in 12th. What is that? Anyone? कौन सांगता है वो? What is that Davison and Germer's experiment? Davison and Germer's experiment. What is that? Here in this experiment it proved that this electron, if electron is moving with velocity v, then the wave nature of this electron is confirmed with the help of electron. Already it is the particle, m be the mass of this electron. If this electron is moving with velocity v, then wave is associated with that electron. This wave nature of electron is confirmed with the help of this experiment. Wave nature of electron, wave nature of material particle, or wave nature of electron is confirmed with the help of this Davison and Germer's experiment. Okay, right? Title, Davison and Germer's experiment. Let the title. And this experiment by Davison, please write one line. This experiment by Davison and Germer's provides this experiment by Davison and Germer's provides experimental proof. This experiment by Davison and Germer's provide experimental proof of the concept of wave nature of material particle, This experiment, the experiment by Davison and Gurmas provides experimental proof of the concept of wave nature of the particle. Then experimental setup. See this figure first. Here, this is the filament. Okay, this is the filament. See, this is the filament. Okay, filament is there. See, this is the filament. This filament is connected to low tension battery. कशाशी connect केलेलं आहे? Low tension battery. It is connected to low tension battery. Means a small amount of power supply is given. Then electrons are emitted from this filament. इथून काय emit होतात? Electrons. अजून एकदा रिपीट करतोय. हे फिलामेंट आहे, टंगस्टन फिलामेंट. याला आपण काय जोडलंय? लो टेन्शन बॅटरी जोडलेली आहे. ही पॉवर सप्लाय इज गिवन. देन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इमिटेड फ्रॉम दिस फिलामेंट. ओके, आणि हे इलेक्ट्रॉन आपल्याला काय करायचे आहेत? एक्सिलरेट करायचे. मीन्स वेलॉसिटी ऑफ दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इन्क्रीजेस. त्यासाठी ह्या इट इज पास थ्रू दिस एनोड. एनोड मधून पास करतोय आपण. दिस एनोड इज कनेक्टेड टू हाय टेन्शन बॅटरी. इथं कनेक्ट केलेला आहे हाय टेन्शन बॅटरीला. So one terminal of this high tension battery is connected to the filament, and we are varying this accelerating voltage. आपण accelerating voltage we are varying with the help of this rheostat. या rheostat च्या सहाय्याने आपण काय करतोय? We are varying the accelerating voltage with the help of this rheostat, and means we are changing the velocity of this electron. काय करतोय? एक मिनिट लक्षात घ्या. फिलामेंट आहे. Anyone please response. This is the filament. If low tension battery is applied, then काय होत आहे? What is emitted? Electrons are emitted. बरोबर आहे का? मी तरी रिस्पॉन्स द्यावं. वन साइड व्हायला लागलाय.
Yes, sir.
येस नो काहीतरी. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इमिटेड. हे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आपण काय करतोय? वी आर ऍक्सिलरेटिंग म्हणजे ते इलेक्ट्रॉनची व्हेलॉसिटी, इलेक्ट्रॉनची कायनेटिक एनर्जी वाढवतोय. कसं वाढवतोय? कशामधून पास करतोय ते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आपण? ह्या एनोड मधून. ओके, देन दिस एनोड इज कनेक्टेड टू, कशाशी कनेक्ट केलेला आहे तो? हाय टेन्शन बॅटरीला इथे कनेक्ट केलेला बॅटरीला. आणि सेकंड टर्मिनल ऑफ दिस हाय टेन्शन बॅटरी कशाला कनेक्ट करतोय आपण? फिलामेंटला टाकतोय इथं. ओके, अँड वी आर चेंजिंग दिस ऍक्सिलरेटिंग व्होल्टेज कॅपिटल बी आपण चेंज करतोय. कशाच्या सहाय्याने चेंज करतोय? वी आर चेंजिंग इट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ कशाच्या सहाय्याने? रेओस्टॅटच्या सहाय्याने. वी आर चेंजिंग विथ द हेल्प ऑफ रेओस्टॅट. वी आर चेंजिंग द ऍक्सिलरेटिंग व्होल्टेज. म्हणजे इलेक्ट्रॉनची कायनेटिक एनर्जी व्ही चेंज केले की इलेक्ट्रॉनची कायनेटिक एनर्जी चेंज होणार आहे. ओके, accelerating voltage V changes, this kinetic energy of this electron changes, and this highly energetic electron कशावर टाकलेला आहे आपण? निकेल टार्गेटवर. निकेल टार्गेट म्हणजे काय असते? व्हॉट इज दॅट निकेल टार्गेट? दिस निकेल atoms are there. Okay, these nickel atoms, they are arranged in a regular and periodic manner. आपण ब्रॅग्स लॉ बघितला होता. ब्रॅग्स लॉ त्याप्रमाणे असे अरेंजमेंट असते. दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, हे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, highly energetic electrons, they are incident on these nickel atoms, and these electrons they are scattered. हे एका दिशेचं स्कॅटरिंग दाखवलंय मी. आणि हा अँगल आहे, दिस इज द थीटा. ओके, these are the nickel target म्हणतो आपण. ओके, this is the nickel target. These electrons they are scattered in all directions. ही एका दिशेचं दाखवलं थीटाच्या. थीटा प्रत्येक, दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दे आर स्कॅटर्ड इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. प्रत्येक दिशेला ते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काय होतात? scattered. They are scattered from these atoms. These electrons they are scattered in all directions. आणि ते scattered electrons आपण, if they are incident on this galvanometer, कशावर टाकलेत ते? galvanometer. And with the help of this galvanometer is movable. प्रत्येक अँगलला किती इलेक्ट्रॉन स्कॅटर झालेत ते आपण या गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटरच्या सहाय्याने मोजतोय आपण. म्हणजे काय करतोय? इंटेन्सिटी मोजतोय. करंट इज हाय, गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर शोज हाय करंट. गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटरनं हाय करंट दाखवला म्हणजे त्या डायरेक्शनला, along this direction more number of electrons are scattered. गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर शोज लो करंट, कमी करंट दाखवते. याचा अर्थ काय होतंय? त्या दिशेला स्कॅटर्ड होणारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काय आहेत? कमी आहेत. ज्या दिशेला, ज्या अँगलला जास्त करंट दाखवतात त्या अँगलला काय होतंय? गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर more number of electrons are scattered. Okay, like that this galvanometer is movable. Galvanometer is there. It is called as detector. अजून एकदा एक्सपेरिमेंटल सेटअप बघून घ्या. व्हॉट इज दॅट एक्सपेरिमेंटल सेटअप? कोण सांगताय पहिल्यापासून मला? एनीवन? Who will explain? कॅन आय टेक नेम? सुरुवात तर करा, फक्त फिगर एक्सपेरिमेंटल सेटअप तर सांगायचं आहे फक्त. रोल नंबर 3 बुसनर. शिल्पा बुसनर. रोल नंबर 5 चव्हाण अश्विनी. हॅलो, येते? ऐकायला तर येते की नाही? येस नो ते तर
Yes, sir.
ओके.
येते.
एक ऐकून घ्या, अजून एकदा सेटअप एक्सपेरिमेंटल सेटअप सांगतो मी. वडी दिस इज द फिलामेंट. हे काय आहे? हे फिलामेंट आहे. द फिलामेंट. नंतर फिलामेंटला काय आपण टाकलंय? लो टेन्शन बॅटरी.
लो
त्याच्यामुळे काय
टेन्शन
होणार?
बॅटरी.
ओके, त्याच्यामुळे काय होणार आहे?
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर जनरेटेड.
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इमिटेड.
ओके, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स
Emitted.
इमिट होणार आहेत. ते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आपण काय करतोय?
एनोड मधनं
एनोड मधून पास करतो.
एनोड मधून पास. कशासाठी पास करतोय?
कायनेटिक एनर्जी इन्क्रीज करण्यासाठी.
कायनेटिक एनर्जी इन्क्रीज करण्यासाठी. कसं? बिकॉज दिस एनोड इज कनेक्टेड. एनोड कशाला कनेक्ट केलेला आहे?
हाय टेन्शन बॅटरी.
दिस व्होल्टेज इन्क्रीजेस. व्होल्टेज चेंज केलं की काय होतं आपल्याला? ऍक्सिलरेटिंग व्होल्टेज, याला म्हणतो ऍक्सिलरेटिंग व्होल्टेज. हे व्होल्टेज चेंज केली की कायनेटिक एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रॉनची काय होणार आहे? चेंज होणार आहे. ओके, इन्क्रीज केले की वाढणार आहे. व्होल्टेज डिक्रीज केले की कायनेटिक एनर्जी काय होणार आहे? रिड्यूस होणार आहे. आणि ते इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पुन्हा हायली एनर्जेटिक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आपण कशावर इन्सिडेंट करतोय?
निकेल टार्गेट वर.
निकेल टार्गेट. त्या निकेल टार्गेट म्हणजे निकेलच्या प्रत्येक ऍटम पासून इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काय होणार आहेत?
इमिटेड.
स्कॅटर होणार आहे. त्याला आपण स्कॅटर वर्ड म्हणतोय. हे इमिट नाही, हे हा इलेक्ट्रॉन इन्सिडेंट झाला. हा इन्सिडेंट बीम आहे. हा इन्सिडेंट बीम आहे बघा. हा इन्सिडेंट बीम, हा इथं दाखवलाय मी. हे दिस इज इन्सिडेंट बीम. आणि ह्या ऍटम पासून काय झालं? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काय झाला? स्कॅटर झाला. हे प्रत्येक दिशेला होणार आहे, फक्त आपण एका दिशेचं दाखवलाय. तसंच दुसऱ्या ऍटम पासून पण इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काय होणार आहेत? हे स्कॅटर होणार. दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आणि हे स्कॅटर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एकत्र करून आपण कशावर इन्सिडेंट करतोय? ते सगळे थीटा अँगल न स्कॅटर होणारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कशावर इन्सिडेंट करतोय आपण? गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर. आणि गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटरचा हा थीटा चेंज करतोय आपण. प्रत्येक दिशेला मोजतोय. इथं गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर इथं ठेवला, करंट मोजला. पण ह्या दिशेने स्कॅटर होऊन येणारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स सगळे आहेत ह्या अँगलला. त्याचा आपण काय मोजतोय? करंट मोजतोय. पुन्हा ह्या दिशेने सगळे स्कॅटर्ड झालेले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, त्याचा आपण करंट मोजतोय आपण. पुन्हा ह्या दिशेने पण स्कॅटर्ड झालेल्या सगळ्या इलेक्ट्रॉन जे आहेत ते इथे इन्सिडेंट होतात गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटरवर. म्हणजे गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर आपण इथं घेतला, त्यावेळेस किती करंट मिळते आपण तो मोजतोय. ओके, ठीक आहे. आणि गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर शोज मॅक्झिमम करंट. गॅल्व्हॅनोमीटर मॅक्झिमम करंट दाखवतोय, म्हणजे त्या दिशेला स्कॅटर्ड होणारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स काय आहेत? मॅक्झिमम. मॅक्झिमम म्हणजे कन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह इंटरफरन्स म्हणतो आपण त्याला. काय म्हणतो आपण? कन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह इंटरफरन्स. आणि ज्या दिशेला करंट कमी मिळतंय, ज्या अँगलला करंट कमी मिळतंय, त्या अँगलला आपण काय म्हणतो? नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, स्कॅटर्ड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर लेस. त्याला कसला म्हणतो? डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह इंटरफरन्स. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह इंटरफरन्स. एक कन्स्ट्रक्टिव्ह इंटरफरन्स, डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह इंटरफरन्स हे कशाच्या प्रॉपर्टी आहेत? त्या आधी प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दी कशाच्या आहेत? पार्टिकलच्या आहेत का वेव्हच्या आहेत? वेव्हच्या. Okay, this constructive interference, destructive interference, these are the properties of the wave. म्हणजे आपण wave nature, we are confirming this electron is behave like a wave. Electron is moving with velocity v, then its wave nature is confirmed with the help of this experiment. It is called as Davison and Germas experiment. Okay, first complete this figure. I will give time, and then first complete this figure. I will give 1 or 2 minutes. This whole experimental setup, it is kept in the vacuum chamber. See, this is the vacuum chamber. This whole experimental setup, it is placed or it is kept in a vacuum chamber. Okay, this is the vacuum chamber is there. Okay, this is the construction of this Davison and Germas experiment. Then afterwards we'll discuss its working. First complete the figure. Okay, now working. Just see here. In the experiment, the electron gun was used to produce a beam of electron. हे म्हणलेलं आहे आपण. Electron gun is used. This is the electron gun. This total whole setup. Whole setup means filament plus this anode. Filament, this anode, and this high tension battery, low tension battery. This whole setup is called as electron gun. It is called as electron gun. Okay. With the help of this electron gun, this highly energetic electron is emitted from this electron gun, and this highly energetic electron is incident on this nickel target. Okay. Then second, the fine beam of accelerated electron was made to fall on the nickel crystal. Is made to fall on the nickel crystal, and atoms of the crystal scatters. This electron, they are scattered from the atoms, scattered the electrons in different directions. Okay. And these electrons, the intensity of the electron beam scattered in a given direction was measured with the help of detector. This electron, these scattered electrons, the intensity of the electrons scattered in a given direction means in given theta is measured with the help of this galvanometer. काय म्हणलं आपण, दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रॉन गन. ह्याचा एक पहिला पार्ट झाला. ह्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला काय म्हणतात, हायली एनर्जेटिक इलेक्ट्रॉन ते कशावर टाकतोय आपण, निकेल टार्गेटवर. निकेल टार्गेटवर काय होत आहे, these electrons are scattered from this nickel target in all the directions. Okay, this is the nickel target. Nickel target means crystal structure of nickel means nickel atoms, they are arranged.
Screen is not visible, sir.
Screen is visible now. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
Well,
ठीक
sir.
है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Listen, please. This is these electrons, they are scattered in different directions. The intensity of this scattered electron is measured with the help of this movable galvanometer. Okay, this is the experimental setup. See, these are the 4 points of this structure. What is first point? We'll read it in the experiment. We'll read it. Anyone? First point.
Experiment. The electron gun was used to produce a beam of electrons.
Okay. Second point is.
This fine beam of accelerated electrons was made to fall on a nickel crystal, and atoms of crystal scattered these electrons in a different direction.
Okay. Third is the intensity of electron. We'll read it. The intensity of this electron beam, scattered electron beam, is given.
The intensity of electron beam scattered in a given direction was observed by a detector. The detector was made to rotate on a circular scale.
Okay, this detector means galvanometer. We are rotating this galvanometer and we are measuring the intensity of this scattered electron in different directions. Okay, and last point is what is this angle theta? From this experiment, scientists observed that intensity of scattered beam of electrons for different values of latitude angle. Latitude angle means scattering angle, which are angle between the incident ray and scattered ray. We काढून दाखवलं बघा. This is the ray. Okay, this is the nickel target, and the scattering angle means this incident ray and reflected ray. This angle is called as scattering angle. Okay, incident ray and scattered ray. And what is this glassing angle? कुठला असणार आहे? This is the glassing angle. कोण तर अनम्यूट करताय मला. Who is that? I don't. Okay, I will check now. Okay, the experiment येते का ऐकायला? यश. Hello. Anyone response? Give me response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
कोणी
Yes.
okay, this is the figure. Then working, just see here. From this is experimental value. Here we are changing this accelerating voltage from 44 degree to 68 degree, and we are measuring the intensity of this scattered light. Means this observation graph is like this. Here this is the intensity versus theta. Theta is there plus intensity is there. Intensity versus theta, and we are changing this accelerating voltage 44 to 54, 54 to 44 to 68. It is observed that this angle 50, at angle 50, at this angle 50 we are getting peak. कुठल्या व्होल्टेजला मिळतंय पीक? हा मॅक्झिमम पीक वी आर गेटिंग 54 व्होल्ट. बाकीच्या व्होल्टेजला समजा व्होल्टेज इज लेस दॅन 54, 44 आहे, त्यावेळेस आपल्याला असा पीक मिळेल. पुन्हा दुसरं व्होल्टेज आहे, दिस इज फॉर 44. म्हणजे वी आर चेंजिंग दिस व्होल्टेज 44 टू 68. कुठून कुठे चेंज केले आपण व्होल्टेज? वी आर चेंजिंग ऑसिलेटिंग व्होल्टेज फ्रॉम 54 व्होल्ट टू दी 68
volt.
We are measuring the current or galvanometer current, or we are measuring the intensity of scattered electrons. It is observed that at 54 volt, V is equal to 54 volt, and angle is equal to 50. At this angle 50, we are getting maximum peak. म्हणजे काय होतंय, पहिल्यांदा 44 ठेवलं, अँगल चेंज केला आपण. कुठून अँगल चेंज केला? त्यावेळेस आपल्याला पीक मिळाला, इथं पीक मिळत असेल. पुन्हा दुसरा अँगल 44 च्या ऐवजी 50 ठेवला, ते वी आर गेटिंग सेकंड पीक फॉर 50. We are changing the theta. Then 54 we are getting maximum current. कुठल्या अँगलला मिळतंय 54 ला? कुठल्या अँगलला मिळतंय आपल्याला?
50 degree.
50 डिग्रीला मिळतंय. ओके, 50 डिग्री व्होल्टेज इज 54 व्होल्ट. अगेन व्होल्टेज इज ग्रेटर दॅन 54 व्होल्ट मीन्स 60, त्यावेळेस पीक मिळतंय, पण ह्याच्या पण खाली मिळतंय आपल्याला. ओके, कुठं? ओके, लेस दॅन दिस वन. म्हणजे मॅक्झिमम पीक कुठल्या अँगलला मिळतंय आपल्याला? 50 डिग्रीला, आणि कोणत्या व्होल्टेजला मिळते आपल्याला? 54. देन कॅल्क्युलेट
54
लॅम्बडा.
volt.
म्हणजे ह्याचा अर्थ काय होत आहे? इफ ऍक्सिलरेटिंग व्होल्टेज इज 54, हे व्होल्टेज जे आहे ऍक्सिलरेटिंग व्होल्टेज V इज इक्वल टू 54 ठेवला आपण. V इज इक्वल टू 54 अँड दिस अँगल इज 50 डिग्री. हा अँगल 50 डिग्री. ह्या दिशेने मॅक्झिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स स्कॅटर्ड होतात. की ह्या दिशेने मॅक्झिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन स्कॅटर्ड होतात. म्हणजे व्होल्टेज किती ठेवलाय? 54 व्होल्ट, आणि अँगल आहे हा 50. All number of electrons scattered in these directions are more, means we are getting maximum current. This galvanometer shows maximum current for this angle 50 and voltage is 54 volt. And from these two values, this lambda is calculated. Lambda is equal to h upon under root twice m in E into capital V. V is the accelerating voltage. H ची व्हॅल्यू टाकली आपण, प्लँक्स कॉन्स्टंट टाकला. M ची व्हॅल्यू टाकली, मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. E टाकला, चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. लॅम्बडा आलं 1.227 अपॉन V under root capital V. Then put the values of capital V. V somebody is changing this. Who is that? I don't know. Okay, lambda is equal to 0.167. This is the experimental value. Participant list I will keep here only. Okay, lambda is equal to 0.167. This is the experimental value of lambda. And theoretical value, how to calculate theoretical value? हे एक्सपेरिमेंट न काढलेली व्हॅल्यू किती आपली? लॅम्बडा इज इक्वल टू 0.167. Okay, then theoretical value of lambda. Okay, angle किती आहे वो? What is angle? Angle between incident ray and
50
reflected
degree.
ray 50 degree आहे. हा angle 50 आहे. Okay, this is the 50. This first ray is reflected. Okay, see here. This is the for the calculation of this theoretical value. This is the nickel target is there. Distance between the two planes. This is D. D is given. Interplanar distance is given. D is equal to 0.091. D ची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे. D ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे वो? What is D?
0.091.
What is D? D is the distance between the two planes, two parallel planes. कशाचं? निकेल साठीचं. Okay, nickel. For nickel, D is given. D is equal to 0.091. आणि first ray is reflected from the first plane, second ray is reflected from the second plane, and we are getting maxima here. म्हणजे maximum number of electrons they are scattered in this direction. Angle 50 ला आपण काय म्हणतो? Theta is equal to 50. Maximum number of electrons are scattered. Okay, theta 50 आहे म्हणजे what is glassing angle किती येणार आहे? What is this angle? What is value of glassing angle? हा किती? हा 50 आहे. Total 180 असणार आहे. Okay, this angle is 50. Then this one is the 65. This angle is also 65. Means glassing angle is 65 degree. बरोबर आहे काय म्हणतोय? 65 plus 65 plus 50. We are getting 180. This angle is 65. Means glassing angle is 65. Use Bragg's relation. काय आहे Bragg's relation?
2d sin theta is equal to n lambda.
2d sin theta is equal to n lambda. Take order n is equal to 1 for first order. D means interplanar distance between the two parallel planes, 0.091. Okay, therefore lambda is equal to काय येणार आहे? Lambda is equal to 0.165 nanometer. Okay, आपण हा theoretical value काढली. Okay, theoretical value of lambda is 0.165 nanometer आणि experimentally practically आलेली value किती आहे वो? What is this practical value? 54 volt ला. Okay, V is equal to 54. त्या 54 ला आपल्याला काय मिळत आहे? Maximum number of electrons they are scattered. किती angle ला?
50 degree.
50 degree ला. Okay, then we are getting lambda. Experimental value of lambda is 0.167 आणि theoretical value किती आली? 0.165. These theoretical values and experimental values, they are matching. The theoretical value and experimental value, this is theoretical value is 0.165 and experimental value is 0.167. 0.167 nanometer and this theoretical value is 0.165 nanometers. These two values are matching, means this excellent agreement between these two values means value Bragg's wavelength, means where this experiment proves that maximum number of electrons they are scattered along this 50 degree, means there is a constructive interference, and this constructive interference, it is a property of constructive interference, it is a property of wave, means wave nature of this electron is confirmed with the help of which experiment? Davison and Germer's experiment. Okay, this is the Davison and Germer's experiment. Okay, once again in short, see, this is the experimental setup. Okay, these highly energetic electron, they are incident on this nickel target. These electrons, they are scattered in all directions. Okay, and we are measuring the काय मोजतोय आपण? We are measuring the galvanometer current. We are measuring the galvanometer current. प्रत्येक वेळेस we are changing V from कुठून कुठे V change केलाय आपण? 44 volt to 68 volt. We are changing V first 44, measure the galvanometer current for all the angles. Then second is 44 ला आपण reading घेतल्या 44 volt. काय असणार आहे reading? theta versus intensity. हा टेबल झाला तुमचा. ओके, देन 50 ला काय असणार आहे? थीटा वर्सेस इंटेन्सिटी. देन 55 ला काय असणार आहे? और 54 म्हणू आपण. 54 व्होल्ट ला थीटा वर्सेस इंटेन्सिटी. हे प्रत्येकाचा प्लॉट काढला. या प्लॉट वरनं काय लक्षात आलं आपल्याला?
54 ची इंटेन्सिटी मॅक्सिमम आहे.
ओके, V इज इक्वल टू 54 आणि अँगल किती आहे?
50 degree.
50 degree. We are getting maximum intensity. Means more number of electrons they are scattered in this direction. More number of electrons they are scattered in this direction. Means more number of electrons scattered means this is the constructive interference. Which is interference is there? Constructive interference. And this constructive interference, it is a property of wave. Okay. Means wave nature of light is confirmed with the help of this experiment. Okay. This is the explanation of this figure. Then see, this experimental value is calculated. We know that formula lambda is equal to h upon under root twice m into E into V. M means mass of electrons, E means charge of electron, H means Planck's constant. Put these values H, M, E. त्यानंतर काय येणार आहे? lambda is equal to 1.227 upon under root capital V nanometer. Okay. Put value of capital V. What is value of capital V? V is equal to 54 volt. Put V is equal to 54 volt. Then we are getting lambda is equal to 0.167 nanometer. Okay, this is the experimental value. हे कशा प्रॅक्टिकल ने मिळालेली व्हॅल्यू किंवा एक्सपेरिमेंटल व्हॅल्यू कशाची? डी ब्रॉग्लीज वेव्हलेंथची. ओके, दिस इज एक्सपेरिमेंटल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डी ब्रॉग्लीज वेव्हलेंथ. नंतर theoretical value. How theoretical value is calculated? See, this is the nickel target आहे. Okay, this is the nickel target. First plane, a second plane. What is distance between the two parallel planes?
0.091.
0.091. At what angle we are getting maximum current? कुठल्या अँगलला मॅक्झिमम करंट मिळते आपल्याला? 50 डिग्री. बरोबर आहे का? 50 डिग्रीचा अँगल बिटवीन कशा कशातला अँगल आहे? इन्सिडेंट अँड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. ओके, And miss this glassing angle. What is glassing angle for this 50 degree? What is glassing angle?
65 degrees.
65 degree. Means put values here. 2d sine of theta is equal to n lambda. D is equal to interplanar distance 0.091. N is equal to order is 1. Then lambda is calculated. What is lambda? Put values, simplify. We are getting lambda is equal to 0.165. This is de Broglie's theoretical value of de Broglie's wavelength. याला कसली व्हॅल्यू म्हणतो आपण? थिओरिटिकल व्हॅल्यू. आणि एक्सपेरिमेंटल व्हॅल्यू किती आली आपली? 0.167. And this,
0.167.
okay, these two values are matching. Means this wave nature of light is, wave nature of electron is confirmed. If electron is moving with velocity v, then wave is associated with that electron. That wave is called as de Broglie's wave, or it is called as matter wave. Okay, this theoretical value and experimental value, they are excellent agreement is there between these two values. Means it clear that wave nature is confirmed. Wave nature of electron is confirmed with the help of this experiment. It is called as Davison and Germer's experiment. Okay, the next is here in nanotechnology only 9 MCQs are there. The first MCQ is this nano materials, dimensions of these nanomaterials ranging from 1 to 100 nanometer, right? First MCQ, dimensions of nanomaterials ranging from 1 to 100 nanometers. Okay, dimensions of nanomaterials ranging from 1 to 100 nanometers. Then types of carbon nanotubes. There are two types of carbon nanotubes, single wall and SW means single wall carbon nanotubes, multi wall carbon nanotubes. Okay, single wall, single wall carbon nanotubes, its dimensions is 1 to येते काय ऐकायला 1 to 2 nanometer. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
multi-wall carbon nanotube, its dimension is greater than 100.
100 nanometer.
हे दोन MCQs बघा. SWCNT 1 to nanometer, multi-wall carbon nanotubes greater than 100 nanometers. लिहिली का? 3 MCQs झालेत. This is one first one. Dimensions of these nanometers ranging from 1 to 100. There are two types of carbon nanotubes, single wall and multi-wall. Single wall 1 to 2 nanometer, multi-wall greater than 100 nanometers. Okay, these are the figures for single wall and multi-wall. Single wall means only one layer is there.
MCQ परत सांगता का?
मध्ये कोण होस्ट होते का?
हा सर, आवाज चाललाय तुमचा.
नाही असू द्या,
आवाजच आला नाही.
बरं ठीक आहे. होस्ट कोण तर होऊन चेंज करते का मध्ये?
नाही सर, तुम्हीच होस्ट आहात.
मीच आहात होस्ट, पण कोणतरी म्यूट करताय. ऑन म्यूट टू ऑल म्हणताय चुकून. ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. सिंगल वॉल कार्बन नॅनोट्यूब्स 1 to 2 नॅनोमीटर, मल्टी वॉल कार्बन नॅनोट्यूब्स ग्रेटर दॅन 100 नॅनोमीटर. 3 आहेत बघा इथं.
100 नॅनोमीटर.
लिहिले का हे 3 MCQs? यस,
नाही सर.
लिहा
नाही
पटकन.
सर.
पटकन. ओके, ओव्हर. Dimensions
Yes,
of
sir.
the
सांगा सर.
okay, dimensions of the nanomaterials ranging from 1 to 100. SWCNT 1 to 2 nanometer, multi-wall carbon nanotube. Its diameter is greater than 100 nanometer. Okay, then these are the two. This is the single wall carbon nanotube. This is the multi-wall carbon nanotube. Okay, different layers are there. First layer green color, second eye blue color, third layer is red color or pink color is there. Then there are 3 types. This table, in this table, total 9 MCQs are there. Okay, there are 3 types of carbon nanotube: zigzag, armchair, and helical. Complete this table. Everyone, please complete this table. Okay, total 9 MCQs are there. 9 multiple choice questions are there in this table. First, zigzag. This chiral vectors A0 means value of R is A0, and theta between these two vectors, these two chiral vectors is 0 degree, and this is achiral. Achiral means mirror images are identical. Zigzag मध्ये असा सेप असते. Their mirror image, this is mirror is there, then mirror image is identical. सारखेच असते, म्हणून त्याला आपण म्हणतो अकायरल. अकायरल कधी म्हणतो? इफ मिरर इमेज इज आयडेंटिकल, whose mirror image is identical with its own image. Mirror image is identical with its own image is termed as achiral tube. त्याला आपण achiral tube म्हणतो. Zigzag, value of R is A0. This is first MCQ. Second, value of theta for zigzag carbon nanotubes is 0 degree, and this is achiral. Achiral means its mirror image is same. पहिला पहिला first row is over. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, second row, armchair carbon nanotubes. This armchair means shape is like this. Okay, like that it is there. This is armchair means AA, value of R is AA, first MCQ. Second, value of theta is equal to 30 degree means theta between the two chiral vectors is 30 degree. And it is also achiral. Achiral means mirror images are, mirror image is identical with its own image. Here mirror is there, means mirror image is identical with its own image. It is called as achiral. Okay, total 9 multiple choice questions are there in this table. 9 MCQs. Okay, this armchair is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then third type of carbon nanotube, third type of CNT is helical. Helical म्हणजे असं असतं helical. ठीक आहे. Helical is this A and B, both the vectors are different. This A, B is there. Our chiral vectors are A, B. जे हे ते टाइप्स आहेत. How we are folding that carbon sheet, graphite sheet. आपण graphite sheet कसं फोल्ड करतोय, त्या फोल्डिंग वर 3 टाइप्स आहेत त्याचे. वे ऑफ फोल्डिंग म्हणतो आपण. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वे ऑफ फोल्डिंग, this CNTs, carbon nanotubes, they are classified into 3 classes: zigzag, armchair, and helical. Okay, this third one is helical, A, B, and theta is between 0 and 30. थीटा दोन्हीच्या मध्ये आहे, 0 आणि 30 च्या. And this is chiral. Chiral means mirror image is different than its original image, own image. Okay, mirror image is not identical with its own image. Chiral means mirror image is not identical with its own image. It is called as chiral. Okay, mirror image is not identical with its own image is termed as chiral. Okay, last sentence, write it. The tube whose last sentence, the third row is over. झाला का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the tube whose mirror image, is identical. The tube whose mirror image is identical with its own image. The tube whose mirror image is identical with its own image is termed as a chiral tube. Is termed as a chiral tube. A chiral tube. Okay, means how many MCQs are discussed here? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 means chiral kashala manayacha. This is the 10. These are the total 9 are there. 9 plus 1, 10. Then here 3 are there. Which 3 are there? What is first one?
Dimensions of nanometer.
Dimensions nanometers ranging from kiti? 1
1
to
to 100
100.
nanometer.
Then single wall
100 nanometer.
carbon
Single wall
nanotube
diameter 1 to 2 nanometer.
and multi-wall carbon nanotubes greater than
100 nanometer.
greater than 100 nanometers. Okay, and few more MCQs are here. Here, what is the relation between de Broglie's wavelength and momentum? De Broglie's wavelength and momentum. Lambda is
H upon
H upon P,
H
or
upon
lambda is
M.
equal to H upon M into
MV.
MV.
V.
Or this is कितवा झालं हे 11th MCQ. Then 12th, de Broglie's wavelength in terms of kinetic energy. What is the expression for de Broglie's wavelength in terms of kinetic energy? Lambda is equal to H upon.
H upon root 2 kinetic energy.
Okay, this is the 12th one. Lambda is equal to, this is 11th. Lambda is equal to H upon under root. Twice m into kinetic energy.
2m into K.
Okay, then de Broglie's wavelength associated with a particle in thermal equilibrium. Lambda is equal to H upon thrice m kT. This is 13, MCQ number 13. Okay, 13. Then 14 is a relation between lambda and accelerating voltage V. हे पण आहे बघा. This is a 14. Lambda is equal to H upon under root. इथं kinetic energy of the electron ही घेतली आपण E into V. Okay, E into V is the kinetic energy of this accelerating electron. This electron is accelerated with voltage V. Then its kinetic energy is equal to K into E is equal to E into V. Okay, kinetic energy is equal to E into V. Means lambda is equal to H upon under root twice m E into V. This is MCQ number
14.
Okay, 14. This one is the 14th one. Okay, 14. Okay, 14. Then
सर डायग्राम नंतर जी लिहून घ्यायची नाही आता
काय करायचंय? हॅलो,
डायग्राम नंतरची थेरी
घ्या आता. मी काय पीपीटी शेअर केलेत ऑलरेडी. तिथून कॉपी करून घ्या आता. ठीक आहे. हॅलो पीपीटी टाकलेत मी, शेअर केलेत पीपीटी. ठीक आहे. Then 2 more MCQs on the properties. Here, smaller the velocity of the particle, if longer is the wavelength. MCQ number 15. Then lighter the particle,
Longer the wavelength. 16. Okay, and this okay, this 15, 16, it is sufficient. And these are the multiple choice questions on this unit. Okay, this unit is completed. These properties of applications of nanometers, different applications are there. Okay, energy, medical, drugs, etc., nanotechnology, nano devices, many applications are there. These are the applications of nanotechnology in different fields. Okay, here this all units 100% syllabus is completed from my side. Okay, any issue then discuss